Is Acorns the new financial advisor? For a new investor, that's a real question. You have an app in the palm of your hand that promises to handle your investments and do it for a few bucks a month, versus a traditional financial advisor who might charge a percentage of your assets. It's the battle of convenience versus personalized expertise, and each has its place. Acorns is what's known as a robo-advisor. The main idea is to make investing simple and accessible. You link your accounts, and its signature round UPS feature rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. The app takes care of everything from building a diversified portfolio of ETFs based on your risk tolerance to automatically rebalancing it. It's a fantastic, low-barrier way to start investing and building the habit of putting money to work for you. For as little as $3 a month, you get access to investing, retirement accounts, and even banking features. It's perfect for someone who is just starting out, has a smaller amount of money, and wants a set-it-and-forget-it approach. So then, what's the case for a traditional financial advisor? This is where the human element comes in. A traditional advisor isn't just an investment manager, they're a financial partner. They can help you with complex financial goals, like estate planning, tax strategies, and retirement planning. They'll work with you through major life events, whether it's buying a house, getting married, or navigating a job change. They provide a level of personal interaction and a tailored approach that an algorithm simply can't. The cost, however, is a key difference. Many traditional advisors charge an annual fee, often around 1% of the assets they manage for you. While this might seem small, on a large portfolio, that can add up quickly. So, how do you decide? Think about your needs. If you're just starting out, have limited funds, and want a simple, automated way to build an investment habit, Acorns is a powerful tool. But if your financial life is getting more complex, if you have significant assets to manage, or if you simply want the peace of mind of having a human expert to call, a traditional financial advisor is likely the better choice. It's not so much one being better than the other, but rather which one is the right fit for you right now. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.